Hello! We're so happy you're interested in Air Bar. Let's get going. The Air Bar sensor is extremely easy to set up. We're going to show you the steps. Air Bar comes in different sizes. If you don't already know the size of your display, just measure it diagonally and then choose the size that best suits your computer. Now your Air Bar sensor has arrived, and we're going to show you how to attach it. The first time you attach Air Bar, it's important that you do it correctly. Center it 3 millimeters below the bottom edge of the display. Use the width of the USB cord as a reference, and use the white alignment markers to center Air Bar. Start by removing the 2 tags on the back. After that, gently attach Air Bar to the bottom bezel, then press gently above the magnet points. Remove Air Bar and press on the magnets a bit harder to fixate them. That's it! Now you can attach and detach Air Bar again and again without hassle, and it will be perfectly aligned and centered every time, thanks to the magnets that remain below your screen. And don't worry, you will still be able to close your notebook without any problems. Now that Air Bar is set up, start your computer running Windows 10. Attach Air Bar and plug the USB connector into the notebook. You now have touch. Air Bar senses input just above the display. Pinch, roll, sweep, and have fun.
This will not only save you from the clutter of having another device, but also bring great convenience to your life, allowing all family members to easily access your garage. Keep in mind that garages are one of the most accessed rooms of your home. Instead of paying $30 to $40 per garage door remote, you can have as many garage door openers as the smartphones in your household at no additional expense once you own Open Sesame. Open Sesame is very easy to set up and fun to use. Let's have a closer look. Security first, and Open Sesame is exactly that. No one else can pair your smartphone without the QR security code and a setup password. In other words, just saying Open Sesame is not enough to open the garage.
Open Sesame!
Your Open Sesame comes in a box ready for setup. All you need to do is follow 3 easy steps and you're done. Download the app from iTunes App Store or Google Play to your smartphone. Go to your Settings tab. Hold Open Sesame next to your mobile phone. Scan the QR security code and enter the password. The QR code and password specific to your Open Sesame device can be found in the instructions. Connect Open Sesame to your garage door's control box by tying its wires to the matching colored wires on the control box. Open Sesame can function up to 100 feet. With its long battery life, once it's set up, it will be a seamless part of your daily life.
When people say the sky's the limit, we ask, why stop there? This is the relentless spirit and passion of DJI, and from that, we have created another glimpse at the future of possible. This is the Mavic Air, the newest addition to the DJI family, and another great leap forward for the industry. The Mavic Air takes cues from all of DJI's landmark drones of the past and yields something unique and new in the process. From the sleek chassis to the incredible technology inside it, it's a work of art that produces works of art. It is incredibly compact, so you can take it everywhere. It's exceptionally light, making it nimble in the air without sacrificing stability. The Mavic Air's powerful camera is housed inside a compact 3-axis gimbal system and is the only drone of its size to have one. Captures slow motion in full HD at 120 frames per second and takes still photos at 12 megapixels with low latency. The new and improved panorama mode captures stunning 360-degree photos at the push of a button. The Mavic Air's optimal flight performance means more time in the air to get all those incredible shots. With 21 minutes of total flight time, 4 kilometers transmission distance, and a max speed of 19 meters per second, you can go farther, faster. The Mavic Air's striking industrial design is the perfect union of form and function. And even with its compact size, Mavic Air remains stable in unfavorably windy conditions and at higher land elevations, something that was once only possible with larger, more expensive drones. The Mavic Air is easier than ever to fly. The new APAS system allows the Mavic Air to detect obstructions in real time and fly around them without stopping. Multiple environment sensing cameras ensure the safety of the Mavic Air while flying. With front and back obstacle avoidance sensors, the Mavic Air sees more obstructions faster. Active Track now allows multiple object detection, which means more flexibility for object tracking. Quick shot modes like Asteroid and Boomerang get you professional camera moves automatically. The controller is as sleek and compact as the Mavic Air itself. Removable sticks sew right inside for an ultra-low profile. Proclaim your individuality with multiple color options and a full suite of accessories. Mavic Air redefines power and portability in a way that only DJI could make possible. And with the Mavic Air in your hands, it will feel like anything is possible.
Out from the ordinary with the Inventions electric wine opener gun. This sleek, fun design will complement any home bar and delight all of your guests. Simply pull the trigger to remove the cork from the bottle. The wine opener will automatically stop once the cork is fully removed. Then push the trigger forward to extract the cork from the barrel of the gun. Be a boss at your next gathering when you whip out the wine gun to open that vintage cab. The Inventions powered wine opener comes with a rechargeable holster. Be trigger happy as it will uncork over 30 bottles on a single charge. Each product comes with a wall charger, adapter, and foil cutter to remove labels quickly and easily. The wine gun comes in 2 different styles, simulated steel and firearm pink. Embrace the fun with Inventions electric wine opener. Go ahead and pop one off today.
There must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, my head.